Hello everyone, this is the Inner Life 101, and today we have another video for you on Eligio Bishop, aka Nature Boy. Last night, Nature Boy stated that he has a disease, so we're going to hear that today.
I can't take it. I can't take it. Another woman. I can't take it. I can't take another woman coming to hurt people. I can't take another baby. I can't. And then on top of that, I got a disease.
He just said he has a disease.
And then on top of that, I got a disease. And then on top of that, I got a disease. And then on top of that, I got a disease.
So I wonder if he's telling his women that he has a disease. See, of course he's going to explain it away because he was drinking. But that just shows a knowledge of disease because, see, he has denied it for years. People pointing it out. His face is, around his mustache and his hairline and different thing. It's getting some kind of psoriasis or something. And people brought that up to him. And then he has some kind of lesions on his legs and stuff too. And this is what people have been saying. And I don't know. This is just my opinion. And I just happen to believe that it's very, very possible that I just have the feeling that Nature Boy knows he has a disease and he is willingly spreading it.
Another woman. I can't take it. I can't take another woman coming to hurt people. I can't take another baby. I can't. And then on top of that, I got a disease. Omac is with.
The bad part about it is what he's just saying, and he's like tormented by the fact that, the people are they're combating what he's saying with all these videos and stuff. And he keeps insisting that they're not true. And people told, look like you have a disease. They say you have a disease. This person said they have a disease. This person came over and said they had a disease. One lady, supposed to be his wife, Serenity, he actually goes and say that she had AIDS. So she got upset and she left. And anyways, he's, now all of a sudden he has a disease. So this is another video, like I said, from Inner Life 101. So it was just a quickie video. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.